Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Chegg subscription. So in order to do this, simply open any browser on your PC and navigate to www.chegg.com. After logging into your Chegg account, you will see this page. So this is the home page of Chegg. Here, you're going to click on your account icon at the top right, that is your profile icon. Now choose My Account. When you choose My Account, it will take you to the overview page. Here, you're going to click on this order icon and it will bring you to this page. Now, here you will see all your orders appearing in this area. Now, simply click on the See All button just under any order that you want to cancel. So I will cancel the subscription for Chegg just right here by clicking on See All. Now, it will take me up to this page where it will show the details and monthly subscription amount under this subscription just right here. At the right of the screen, you will see Cancel Subscription button here. You can simply click on the button and it will take you to this page where you can easily cancel your subscription. You can see you have two options, to cancel your subscription or pause your subscription. So I will choose I'd rather cancel. Now, when you choose I'd rather cancel, it will take you up to this page where you'll have to choose why are you canceling. You can choose any one of these options and click on continue. After you click on continue, you would have successfully cancelled Chegg subscription. So that is the simple way through which you can cancel Chegg subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.